make the squeeze and he tryna put on the show.
Boys, just a little something. Range day, we got the Bradley boys out here. Bradley, 556. Bradley, 300 blackout. We got his PWS Ricky rifle. Tank's brand new Ricky rifle. Mine's at the house. Not shooting it. We're gonna shoot his. Shoot one, you know what the next. And we got my CZ Scorpion, because it needs to be ran. And we got a host of other stuff that's down here that we didn't pull out the bag yet. But hey, this is just a little ski taste right here. Y'all already know it's another episode of TackleBuryBug and TackleBuryBug in the Bug Nation. We here, we there, we everywhere. We where we don't belong. We in your girl thong. We making it go, oh yeah, oh yeah. Y'all, I apologize for the wind, y'all. We'll be coming out here. Look at this, y'all. One section look like the sun don't want to come out. One section look all gray and like it's gonna start storming. But guess what? We here. We're gonna give y'all what you came for. You know what I'm saying? We here. If it start raining on us, it won't hurt our guns. But check out what we bringing out here, the arsenal today. Today we got the PWS. This belongs to my partner, Saint The Reali. This is his new acquisition, his new Ricky rifle. Me and him got Ricky rifle deals that we doing. This is, I got one like it, but he gonna test his out today. I'm waiting on all the rest of my accessories coming. This is, for y'all to know, come on in, camera, let's show them what we talking about. See, it's TackleBuryBug, we Bug Nation. And see, this is the fostech Bradley. That is the Bradley Bug. The Bradley Bug, because that's a 300 blackout. That is the 300 blackout. And this is the 300, the 556 fostech Bradley. So if you're in Bug Nation have Bradleys, Bug Nation have Glocks. This is the P80, the Polymer 80 Glock that I built. I'm using my Glock slide for it. So the Polymer 80 Glock, we're doing a function test and reliability test on this today. And the CZ Scorpion Evo S2 custom shop. I am functioning testing this because I just got it back from CZ. I want to say I got it back Friday, Saturday, one of those days. But I'm function testing this to make sure it's A-okay. You know, it didn't look like this on the unboxing video, but this is how it's supposed to look. So we unboxing this and we shooting this today. And I think we got a couple other things that we're gonna shoot though. But hey, we here in my favorite place, you know what I'm saying? Member of the range, ETTS, you know what I'm saying? ETTS, y'all need to give me half price on this promo I'm giving y'all. But say we have my favorite range where we can do some things. You see, we're doing the box today. These are what we're gonna be, you know, shooting from here, anchor here, you know, here, anchor here, laying down, you know, we're gonna do our thing. We're working the box today, so me and him, you're gonna get footage of us working the box. We got a steel target down there. We got some paper targets that we're gonna engage, walking up on, but we only can engage the steel from this distance, because if you read the sign, you know, you might get a rookie saying, I'm not trying to go to the hospital. We're too far in the country. The best trauma hospital is Parkland. Shit, that's about an hour away. Fuck that. I ain't trying to get airlifted, but anyway, I digress. But hey, we out here, man. We're gonna come check these out, man. And I just want you guys to enjoy the video. Comment, like, and subscribe. Saint The Reali, TackleBuryBug, Life in Baton Rouge, been shooting Dear Me 2 times. Those are YouTubers. Everybody on Instagram, TikTok, and other social media platforms. Saint The Reali, Dear Me 2 times. Boozy Cakes, that's Miss Meekly. Dave's Portraits, and we got Dave Portraits on YouTube. Forgot about her, First Lady of YouTube. Everybody else, you know what I'm saying, we got Instagram and all that. Y'all check us out, Bug Nation in here. Guns and Barbecue, that's our white blind best friend, no good guy. Guns and Barbecue, that's what we like. You know what I'm talking about? Hey man, y'all check us out. Stay tuned. Oh, this is coming. Function test. CZ Scorpion, trying to ring steel. I say this about 75 yards. Couple times, but this thing's not shooting right now. I'm putting a little muzzle blade. But hey, check this out. TackleBuryBug, man. Let's edit this raw today. It's a ugly looking things raw. Function test. Check me out. This is my Glock. Polymer 80 lower I built myself, and I'm using my factory Glock, my EDC slide. So I'm gonna see how this thing functions. I wanna make sure it functions before I invest more money into it. About 75 yards, I'm going for this steel target. Like 3 times. That ammo burned dirty. But I don't know, man. We try it again. I want to give it a rapid fire and see what it do. Hey, check it out. Reliability test, rapid fire. Target, paper target, engaging, now. Man, look, this polymer 80. I don't know if it's my slide, but I think I did my job on it. I don't know now, I got to get 1,000 rounds through it before I can really see what's up, but I don't know, man. It seemed like, I don't know, hold on. It seemed like it might be working though. But say, stay tuned, it's not over. Check it out. Back with the CZ. I'm finna reliability test, rapid fire. See what it got.
They got off.
Shit, but look at them holes.
They got off, boy. Ooh, wee.
Holes on top of holes.
Holes on holes.
Holes on holes. Hey man, it's a situation.
It's a situation.
I think it's going down. Next time y'all see this, my boy Saint The Reali is gonna give it a run. You know what I'm saying? I really don't like nobody putting a finger to my babies, but he's gonna do that today. Put the paper to my baby though, man. But if y'all notice, I'm a Gear Head Works slut. I love Gear Head Works, man. This is these
man, let's show
braces
that
are the
thing
ball,
out,
bro.
man. Let these people see it's a situation.
Hold on, man. It's a situation, man. I'm trying to get this QD mount out. These gloves, but this Gear Head Works. It's a situation, man. Situation.
Oh, get on him. Get him, Bug.
Get him, bud.
Get him, Bug. Get him, Bug. Get him, Bug. Cut him.
Hey, check it out. It's a situation. I got the realest. I got heels, because I didn't bring mine, but I got heels. But hey, let's see what I can do with that thing. Look at that steel down there. There's some steel down there. Let's see what Bug can do with that steel.
Say, yeah, you gotta bring it, man.
Hey, man.
Oh,
Hey, man,
yeah.
I think this is gonna be a damn good record build.
God dang right. Say,
Boy, the impulse on this thing, you seen it?
and it's so controllable. It
It's
just
so,
feels so
look,
good.
it's so, boom, man, I had to get out
You
my
got to
sight
slow
because
yourself
I got
down.
my glasses on, but I had to get out my peak. Cause, bro,
Man.
I don't know, bro.
Yeah.
It's a situation, man.
Oh, yeah. PWS.
Wait, man, I got to get that double tap, man.
PWS.
One double tap.
Hell yeah.
One double tap.
Come on with it. Cut up. Bug Nation. Woo-hoo. Ooh, it's a thump. That's a little 5.56 thumper, man.
No, hey, look, just think when you start adjusting the gas on it.
Oh,
Because right
yeah.
now it's a little over gas, but bro,
It's time to go to position 3.
I want to say, man, I think we got winners.
Yeah, man.
Hey, this our record rifle,
Record rifle right there. It's the Bug Nation
Hey,
record
it's
rifle.
Bug Nation.
PWS. Long
Hey,
stroke
this ain't
distance.
coming for you. Hey, don't get it twisted. I got Knights, Daniel Defense, all that.
Yeah.
BCM. But hold up, bro.
We talk about
This long
somebody.
stroke gas pistol, I want to see what they do with their can on it. It's a situation. Easy, man.
What you gonna do when Bug Nation come for you? Woo!
Rapid fire.
Should I just?
Man, rap it. Let it rip.
This they acting. This what that is, man. This is what. Shout out to PWX. Say, they did not false advertise at all. At all. Say, man, we putting this baby to the test today. MK 114, baby. Realest rush, they
Hey,
ain't.
check it out, man. It's the Brad boys. That's Saint. He just let it rip. Look, it's empty. It's empty. He let that rip, but Bug got one too. Bug got one too. Brad. This fostech, man. Hold on, man. Let me rip for the. Hey, man, this is the Bug Nation official gun, man. That's what. Single action. Now, let's rap it.
Say, man.
FRT. Echo.
Eat your heart out.
Eat your heart out. Echo. Beach trigger. One pull, one release.
You don't have to worry about the ATF. Like my bro said.
But like I said though, them Bradley boy.
Bradley boy.
I think I got to get a Bug Nation shirt with Bradley's on it.
You want lobster?
Bug Nation dance, I feel it.
Get him, Bug. Cut up. Cut up. Cut up. Cut up. Who cut up? Yeah. Yeah. That's all y'all get. That's all y'all
Hey baby,
get.
Bug Nation up here having a good dang old time with these nice little machinery. Nation, baby. Nation. Scorpion. Let's go. Song.